Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about Iiyama I-class mini PC lineup. So friend, the Iiyama has introduced the new mini PC with energy efficient 139.9 mm into 129.9 mm. So friend, its height only 43.9 mm and this system incorporates the 12th generation Intel Core mobile processor which provide efficient power management for continuous operation in environments such as office workstation and digital signage, and the model comes with pre-configured with either Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro, ensuring compatibility with broad range of business and consumer application. And the connectivity of mini PC is designed for practical use and expandability. On the front panel, user will find one Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port and two USB 3.1 Type-A port and SD card reader and headphone jack, and the rear panel is equipped with one additional Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port, two more USB 3.1 Type-A port and one HDMI port and one DisplayPort and one Ethernet port supporting wired LAN connection, and it's powered by Intel Core i7-1255U processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics and 16 GB DDR5 memory arranged in dual channel configuration and 500 GB NVMe M.2 SSD for storage and Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet port and Bluetooth 5.3. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.